Hello, civil service aspirants. Welcome to part 10. We are covering our series of learning geography through MCQs. And today we are again talking about basics of India, which is always going to help you in any kind of competitive exam, especially Nagaland civil services. So, without any delay, let's start our first question. Number one, which of the following rivers does not form a delta in India? Mahanadi, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna. Remember, Tapi does not form delta in India. All these other rivers are flowing towards Bay of Bengal. They all make delta, but Tapi does not. Tapi discharge at Arabian Sea, that is Gulf of Cambay, or you can say Gulf of Khambar. So Tapi is the right answer. Next question. The Purvanchal Hills are an extension of which mountain range? So we can call Eastern Himalayas, although again I also have mentioned this in my previous videos that our Purvanchal hills that are starting from Arunachal Patkai, going through Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram till Myanmar, they are not really the Himalayas or extension of Himalayas, but in general identification or introduction, we consider northeastern hills, the eastern hills as an extension of Himalayas. So in that way, the answer is C, Eastern Himalayas, alright. Aravalli, Vindhya and Satpura are mainland India's hills or range. Next question, which soil type is most suitable for cotton cultivation in India? We all know black soil, generally found from lower central part of India till Kerala and Tamil Nadu regions. These black soils are very much relevant for production of cotton, especially in eastern parts of Gujarat. They are highly productive. So black soil is also known as regur soil, regur soil, or you can also call it cotton soil. Alright, so black soil is the right answer. Next question, which Indian river is known for forming an inland drainage system and does not reach the sea? Luni, Sabarmati, Mahi, Periyar. We all know Periyar lies in Kerala, moves towards Arabian Sea. Mahi is in like Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Sabarmati starts from Aravalli range, goes from Gujarat till Gulf of Cambay. Luni is the river who comes through the Aravalli range, passes through the deserts of Rajasthan, and by the time it reaches Gujarat and Rajasthan border at Rann of Kutch region, it disappears because the water content in this river is too low, because it is not glacier feeded river, it is just river feeded by the rainfall. So Luni is the right answer for this question number 4. Okay, next question. Chilika Lake is located in which state? We all know Odisha. All right. So let's jump to the next question. Factual question hai. Which strait separates India from Sri Lanka? We know that Park Strait is separating India from Sri Lanka. So C is the right answer. Which state lies entirely on the Deccan Plateau? Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Telangana. We can consider Maharashtra is again, it's entirely a Deccan Plateau. All right. So D also, Telangana also comes in a pure Deccan regions. The eastern part of Maharashtra comes and joins with the Bastar plateau of Chhattisgarh. So in that way there is some corruption in the land, but Telangana is highly entered and found in Deccan Plateau region. So Telangana is the right answer. Which monsoon branch causes rainfall in Tamil Nadu during winter? Remember, real time monsoon, that is southwest monsoon, comes in end of May, beginning of June, last till September. This is the real monsoon for India, but during this time Tamil Nadu does not receive proper amount of rain, hardly 25 centimeter rainfall due to the geographical blockage done by the Cardamom and Annamalai hills. Alright, so in Tamil Nadu during winter time, especially it is northeast monsoon who brings good amount of water and rainfall in Tamil Nadu. Sometimes during December time when we are shivering because of cold, the Tamil Nadu experience like floods sometimes, okay, during northeast monsoon. So it's during the December month, northeast monsoon, that is winter monsoon. Okay, next, which Indian national park is famous for the one-horned rhinoceros? We all know Kaziranga is famous for it. Although Kaziranga found in Manas also, Pobitora also and Orang also, they are all located in Assam. But Kaziranga has the highest population of single-horned rhinos. So we can consider Kaziranga as the right answer. Next question. The highest peak in South India is Anaimudi Doda Beta. Malayangiri and Agastyamalai. So the right answer for this is Naimudi, which is found mostly in the Western Ghats regions of India, and it is the highest peak. Which river system drains the largest area in India? Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Godavari. So remember, Ganga is the largest basin, has the largest basin in India, moves from west towards east, joins discharge at Bay of Bengal, drain maximum landforms in northern part of India. So Ganga is the right answer. The Doab region refers to the land between two sea, two desert, two river and two plates. Remember, plateaus. Remember, Doab is associated with the word of Arabic called Ab. Ab in Arabic word called known as the land between the water. Ab means water. Doab means do in a Hindi also two. So Doab means the land between two rivers. Alright, so two rivers. C is the right answer for Doab. Alright, next question. Which Indian state has the highest percentage of forest cover? We all know Madhya Pradesh has the highest percentage of forest cover. Plus density, if you notice, Arunachal Mizoram has the highest, northeastern state has the highest. So in this case, the area, if we talk about area, so Madhya Pradesh could be the right answer. But when we talk about the percentage of density, then Mizoram could be the right answer. Area wise, Madhya Pradesh has the highest area of forest cover and Mizoram is the density wise. So D, Mizoram. Next, which crop requires waterlogged conditions for cultivation? Wheat, bajra, rice, maize. Remember, wheat is a dry crop. We mostly use in dry regions. Rice, we generally develop a kind of wetland and then we start cultivating rice. It requires very high amount of rain and water plus high temperature around 25 to 27 including 30 degrees Celsius, which is suitable temperature for rice production. Sometimes temperature can go beyond 33, 34. Still that is okay for rice if water content in soil is available. So high water content, that is rice. Rann of Kutch is best described as freshwater lake. No, not at all. Sand dune desert. No. Salt marsh. Floodplain. Remember, Rann of Kutch is the largest district not only for Gujarat but in compared to any other states districts. It is the largest district in India. Plus, Rann of Kutch primarily came out from the ocean or sea, let's say Arabian Sea. Technically, the entire Rann of Kutch, most of the Rann of Kutch is full of salt. The more you will dig into the ground, the more salt water will come out. So mostly salt agriculture or salt cultivation in India happens in this place, and that is also from underground water salt. Alright, so salt marsh is the correct explanation for Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. Next, which Indian port is a natural harbour? Chennai, Pradeep, Vishakhapatnam, Kolkata. So obviously Vishakhapatnam is a natural providing port or harbour who is naturally providing facility of harbour to the big ship. So Vishakhapatnam anyway is used as a very important port for India, and we all naval exercises or deployment of ships happens through Vishakhapatnam. We all know that. So Vishakhapatnam is the right answer. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Tapi, Mahanadi, Narmada, Son. Remember, Narmada from Madhya Pradesh, Amarkantak mountain peak. It comes out. So C, Narmada is the right answer. Next, which of the following is a coral island group of India? Andaman, Nicobar, Lakshadweep Island and Majuli Island. Majuli is not at all the answer because it is a river island found in Assam. Alright, plus Lakshadweep we can consider in Andaman, Nicobar. In the Arabian Sea, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in Bay of Bengal. Remember, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are formed due to tectonic activity. Majuli is due to the erosional and depositional activity from the river of Brahmaputra. But Lakshadweep Islands are formed over the skeletons of coral. So Lakshadweep is purely a coral island. Okay, so C is the right answer. Next question. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is rich in which mineral? Gold, iron, mica, bauxite. So remember, mica is the one of the highest metal found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. It extends from Jharkhand till upper part of Chhattisgarh. So mica is one of them. All right. Not only coal. Coal is mainly primary source of mineral, but mica is also there. Which city lies closest to the Tropic of Cancer? Bhopal, Ranchi, Kolkata, Udaipur. All right. So we know that 8 states of India are actually Cancer line is passing by, and whatever city who are lying in those 8 states, you can calculate. West Bengal also comes in that. Okay, so Kolkata, Udaipur, Ranchi, Bhopal. Bhopal is in Madhya Pradesh. Ranchi is in Chhattisgarh. All right. So we have to find which city is closest. So technically, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is the closest place to the Cancer. And if we go for the other city also in Gujarat, also Porbandar regions are also nearby, or Ahmedabad regions are also nearby. So that's it for the part 10 of learning geography through MCQ. These questions are very commonly asked in B grade and state civil services questions. So hopefully if the students will prepare and practice these questions, they will in short time they can, or they will be able to cover the basic introduction of India. So I hope this video ends here, and in part 11 we will come up with more Indian related geographies question, and we will try to cover as much as possible from the geography. Thank you so much. Keep watching.